Hello, I'm John Maisels and welcome to another brand new episode of SMPTE Showcase. Today we're going to show you the full range of industries which are represented here at the exhibition, including radio, audio and film. Now we're going to take you to some of the small stands that you wouldn't normally see.
Our company ABC represents the Axia line of products, Axia, Talos and Omnia, which is basically a range of products that route audio over IP. So we've been in the market for 6 or 7 years now, and been winning favour a lot of customers over the last few years, which has been great. So probably one of the larger, faster growing console manufacturers at the moment. Well, Axia was the first company to come out with a digital system that routed audio over IP. So traditionally customers have gone to a TDM based system, a time division multiplexing system, which typically used AES and analog inputs and outputs and routing through a TDM backplane. What the Axia equipment does is it switches everything through a standard office IP network, so it makes the general setup, installation and procurement of the equipment quite cost effective. So that's a small one, right up to the large element console here, which I mean, the largest broadcasters, radio broadcasters in Australia are picking this product up now, so very scalable. And the cool thing about it is, like I was saying before, it all comes back to this building block, the node, these other devices, and you know, whether it's a small community station or a large, you know, multi-station network, you know, it just comes down to how many of the individual devices they buy. So there's no sort of light or pro version of it, it's all just the same equipment.
Yeah, we're on the retro display, and we're looking at technology going back to the 70s. Here we have some older technology. This is a magnetic recording. Here's a 1-inch machine. Yeah. This machine was the backbone of most TV stations. It had 1-inch tape. Here we have a Laserdisc player. Here we have an early TV that was 405 lines. It sort of it was before the current, or the now obsolete system of 625 lines. This phone here, if you would have had that phone in its day when it first came out, you would have been top of the food chain. And here we have the granddaddy of the iPod.
My expertise lies with the background of the C to D noiser, noise suppressor, but that's what I'm effectively demoing for representation of control devices audio. What makes this unique is it's a 2.5-inch diameter tube microphone, so it has all the characteristics of a large diaphragm microphone, and it's well constructed, and it's big and it's blue. So I've actually got it hooked up to the Cedar dialogue noise suppressor, and that's what I'm demoing. What makes this unit unique is that it's real-time sort of stuff. It's very efficient, so I love it for that.
We're Syntec. We sell broadcast audio product for the broadcasters, for the production, post-production industry, and also for staging and rental, but that's another show. So what we're doing here at SMPTE is displaying all the Sennheiser products, all the Neumann products, Neumann microphones, and their brand new loudspeaker studio monitors. And of course there's K-Array, which gives you a whole range of loudspeakers for foldback in studios. So RTW make a range of meters. This particular one is called the Touch Monitor, and it's a software-based device with multiple different metering modules inside it. Wireless microphones are an interesting topic at the moment with the digital dividend coming along. There's a whole bunch of spectrum where lots of radio mics are running now, where people are going to have to vacate and change their radio mic frequencies, either have them adjusted or buy new kit. Well, we know that Sennheiser's digital ready for the digital dividend, and at any particular price point in the market we've got the broadest bandwidth, so we've got the best solution for the digital dividend. Neumann capsules to go onto your handheld mics, camera receivers to plug into the back of your video camera, all that kind of stuff. Little portable receivers to clip onto your camera, all that kind of stuff. So every application's well covered.
All right, well what we have are the Orban audio processors, and each different processor is designed for its own particular unique service, the surround sound audio processor, Optimod 6300, which is designed for the digital DAB services. This bloke is designed for the AM, MF transmitters.
My name's Peter Daniel. I've been designing and building camera cranes for the last 13 years. This is my latest model, a 10 metre KE carbon fibre camera crane. So I've got a lot of competitors who use much cheaper products, like they use aluminium or steel. The carbon fibre is a very expensive product, but it's just so good to build this type of equipment. It's light, it's stiff, it absorbs motion and impact, so it makes everything very smooth, and it's very possible to get. And if you can see, if you tilt down, you see it just glides by itself. You can position the camera anywhere within 360 degrees at a length that it's set up at the moment at 10 metres. You can go up from ground level to 9.5 metres in the air. You can pan and tilt the camera, you can zoom, you can focus, you can start your record, stop your record. You've got full control over camera and lens, everything here at your fingertips at the back of the crane. But you can set it up at 2 metres, 4 metres, 6 metres, 8 metres, 10 metres.
Don't forget to join us tomorrow for the final episode of SMPTE Showcase, where we'll wrap up our coverage and we'll give you a tour of the exhibition floor. I'm John Maisels. Thanks for watching.